back after a really long time, and I was uploading only shorts in this past few weeks. I could not upload the long videos due to some or the other reason, and yeah, finally I'm back with this video. And I was going out, and yes, and I was getting ready, so I thought, why not shoot this while getting ready. So yeah, it's kind of a get ready with me, and it's evening around 5:30 now. So yeah, that's why I did kind of a heavy makeup, not very heavy though, because I've skipped the foundation here. However, the eye makeup is little heavy, that like you can see. I don't want to keep the intro too long. And also guys, before starting, I just want to tell that the products whatever I have used, all are very affordable products, except I think one or two, but remaining all are very drugstore products, very affordable, and they can be easily found on Amazon or any other store near your house. So yeah, please like this video and give it a huge thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel guys. So without making the intro too long, let's get into the video.
ओके गाइस, तो मैंने सिर्फ अपना फेस वॉश कर लिया है. इट्स अ क्लीन फेस एंड कोई मॉइस्चराइज़र नहीं लगाया है. तो यहाँ आई एम जस्ट शोइंग कि कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने यूज़ किए हुए हैं पूरे मेकअप के लिए. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल अप्लाई दिस मॉइस्चराइज़र. दिस अ फेस मॉइस्चराइज़र. इट्स एन ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइज़र फ्रॉम पिलग्रिम. दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मॉइस्चराइजर्स दैट आई हैव रिसेंटली कम अक्रॉस. एंड यहाँ आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने अच्छा खासा प्रोडक्ट लिया है अपने पाम्स में. एंड आई एम वार्मिंग इट अप बिटवीन माई पाम्स एंड अप्लाइंग इट ऑल ओवर माई फेस एंड नॉट फॉरगेटिंग द नेक एरिया. तो गाइस, क्योंकि आई मेकअप थोड़ा सा हैवी है कंपेयर टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द फेस, तो फर्स्ट वी विल फिनिश ऑफ विद द आई मेकअप एंड फाइनली हम फिर फेस मेकअप कंप्लीट करेंगे. तो यहाँ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आईब्रोज इज़ वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट फीचर्स. तो यहाँ पे मैं उसको जहाँ पर भी स्पार्स एरियाज है वहाँ आई एम जस्ट फिलिंग इट अप विद द आईब्रो पेंसिल. एंड ये आईब्रो पेंसिल इज़ फ्रॉम स्विस ब्यूटी, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आईब्रो पेंसिल्स. इट्स इन ब्राउन कलर एंड उसके पीछे में एक स्पूली भी आती है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ विच आई एम जस्ट कोम्बिंग माई आईब्रोज सो दैट दे सेट प्रॉपरली. उसके बाद मैं यहाँ अपना मेबलिन का कंसीलर ले रही हूँ एंड आई एम अप्लाइंग इट ऑन द आईलिड्स, ताकि वो जो आई शेडो लगाऊंगी वो उभर के आए. एंड जस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ माई फिंगर्स आई एम ट्राइंग टू ब्लेंड इट इन. So just with the help of my fingers I'm trying to blend this concealer. Taking another concealer in one shade lighter to my skin tone, I'm just applying it again over the already applied concealer, and I will just blend it with the help of my fingers again. So what will happen is it gives a nice highlighting effect like you can see already, and जो मैं आई शेडो लगाऊंगी वो और भी ज़्यादा उभर के आएगा. एंड यहाँ पे मैं ले रही हूँ मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन का आई शेडो पैलेट. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पैलेट्स. इसके आई शेडोज़ आर सो क्रीमी, सो बटरी. And I'm taking the basic transition shade and applying it all over my eyelids with the help of my fingers. So I'm just applying it in dab motion. I'm just placing the eyeshadow on my eyelids instead of rubbing it all over the eyelids like this. तो बेसिकली पैड करने से क्या होगा कि द आई शेडो, द प्रोडक्ट रिमेन्स ऑन द आईलिड एंड वो फेड नहीं होगा एंड इट गिव्स अ रियली नाइस कलर एंड वो ब्लेंड काफ़ी अच्छे से हो जाएगा. So moving on, I am taking this kajal from Zudio. This is one of the best kajals I've come across. It's almost similar like Lakme and Maybelline, but the pigment is so good that I love using it and very affordable. So I'm just trying to create an eyeliner effect with this and also tight lining my upper waterline. तो इससे क्या होगा कि I will be smudging this eyeliner and it will give a nice smoky effect. लाइक दिस. थोड़ा सा अगर वो इन लाइन भी नहीं है तो दैट्स ओके बिकॉज आई विल एनी वे एंड अप स्मजिंग इट. तो यहाँ पे मैंने लिया है कलर बार का स्मजिंग ब्रश एंड उससे मैंने काजल को थोड़ा सा स्प्रेड कर लिया है. एंड उसके बाद सेम आई शेडो पैलेट से आई हैव पिक्ड अप द ब्लैक शेड, टैप्ड ऑफ द एक्सेस एंड अप्लाइंग इट ओवर द स्मज्ड काजल. सो व्हाट विल हैपन इज इससे काफ़ी अच्छा स्मोकी इफेक्ट आएगा आई लिड्स पे and it will intensify the smoky eye look like you can see already. उसके बाद again I am taking a purple eyeliner from Makeup Revolution and just applying it on my eyelids very close to the waterline. and ये apply करने के बाद I will just smudge it with the help of my fingers. This is such a good eyeliner. I mean, I just love this. It's so good. I can also use this as an eyeshadow because you can see that I'm blending it and it doesn't dry off too fast. I mean, it takes at least 30 seconds to dry up, so you can easily smudge it and create a beautiful effect on your eyelids. And when it gets combined with the black smoky eye, it just gives a very beautiful purple pinkish look. So I'm done with the left eye. I'm finishing off with the right eye, and you can see the effect already. Then how can we forget mascara? So I am just taking this mascara from Maybelline and applying it on my upper lashes as well as the lower lashes, and I'll be doing this for both the eyes. Again, it elongates the eyelashes really well. I love it when the lower lashes look so long, and it just intensifies the look even further. Taking the same kajal, I have applied it on my lower waterline and smudged it a little. So we are done with the eye makeup almost. Moving on to the face makeup. Since I have some pigments on the face, I am just taking this orange color corrector from LA Girl and applying it on my problematic areas and then just blending with the fingers. And after waiting for few seconds, I will apply, since we are skipping the foundation, I am just applying the concealer. Okay, before that I will moisturize my lips with the help of lip balm. This is by Wadi Herbals. Taking the Fit Me concealer by Maybelline. So I am just applying it wherever I have applied the orange color corrector, so it will cancel out all the darkness. Also applying a little bit on my under eyes and just blending it with the help of a foundation brush very gently. I'm being very careful in blending the concealer on my under eyes because I've already done my eye makeup. Setting all of this with the help of loose powder again from Maybelline. So I'm in the shade medium deep. Okay, so here I have taken another concealer which is one shade lighter to my skin tone and applying it on my under eyes. So this will act as a highlighting concealer, and the below eyeshadow which I have applied on my lower lash line, it will come out even better. So I'm being very careful in blending the concealer so it doesn't ruin my eye makeup. It's done. And next again I am, with the help of a smudger brush, I'm trying to smudge the kajal in my lower lash line, doing for both the eyes. And now we are done, and just doing a little bit of touch up with the help of kajal again on the lower lash line. I love applying kajal. You can clearly see that. And also doing a little bit of touch up on the upper lash line. Now I'm satisfied. Okay, now taking a contour powder, I'm just applying a little bit of contour, not too much, and little bit of bronzing, and finally setting all the makeup with the help of a makeup fixer from MAC. Finally fanning it and then pushing the product into the skin with the help of the same foundation brush. So this gives a really nice effect, and I forgot to put highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. So taking some bit of it with the help of my smudger brush, I'm just applying it in the inner corners. So what happens with this is it will pop out the eye makeup really well, and it makes the eyes look bigger. Next, moving on to lip and cheek tint, which is really important. I love applying blush. I'm just taking this from Love Earth, applying a little bit of it on both the cheeks and just blending it with the help of my fingers like this. It's really beautiful color. You guys should definitely check this out. Finally, we are applying the highlighter. So taking this again from Swiss Beauty, it's in the shade Savage Barbie. Applying it on the high points, that is my cheeks, and also on the brow bone. It just really gives a very beautiful effect when the light falls on the face. And just blending it with the help of my fingers, applied a little bit on my cupid's bow and also on the forehead. Really beautiful look. And finally I'm applying my lipstick. So since the eye makeup is on the heavier side, we are keeping lipstick very light. So I applied a nude lipstick, pink nude lipstick from Mama Earth, and just topping it up with Makeup Revolution lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick, not very dark, and just blending it out so it doesn't look too dark on the lips. And yeah, that's it. So this is my final look, guys.
So that's it for today's video, guys. In case you like this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. Please do share this video with your friends and family who are interested in such kind of videos. So see you next time, and see you very soon. Bye.